Hi, I'm MJ. I'm one of the project coordinators for Vivant.
Regardless if it's complex or not, everything starts with open communication. Not only does that communication fall within the specific team, but of course, we want to keep our clients involved in every step because when they're involved, they understand more on what we're doing and they get to appreciate more those things that we do for them and for their business. Most exciting part, the whole process would be they should be involved in every step of the project. Then after we get to install everything, that realization that our client gets to experience how our services make the meaningful impact of our business, whether it's consolidation of the bills, whether it's the 100% uptime that we give them. Once they realize the impact on their business and they're happy about it, that makes everything special. I don't know about rockstar, but well, my dad's a pastor, and we literally grew up playing instruments. My brother played the keyboard, I played the guitar and drums. My brother was a singer, so I don't know. Somehow playing the guitar stuck with me, and I've been playing ever since we were kids, and developed a love for it. As far as the frustrated singer goes, well, let's leave it as frustrated. But for now, I'll stick with my guitar and leave the vocals to the true rock stars. Being that basketball is definitely one of my favorite pastimes. In my youth, I used to play in leagues, but I don't know. There's something about the fast pace, the court energy, and the pickup games that keep things exciting. It's all about creativity, improvisation, and a friendly competition.